Hello there, welcome to our channel Login News again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Bank of America account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As on mine, you can see I have already opened Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click here and type bankofamerica.com and hit enter. Either that, or you can just search for Bank of America in Google itself and hit enter, and you can see the Bank of America will arrive in first page. Click there. Both will open the same site. You can see both of the same site. Now, in order to log into your Bank of America account, you can see your user ID over here and password over here. You need to enter this credential, and you need to log in by doing that. And if you have forgot your password, you can recover it from here. And there, guys, signing into or logging into Bank of America is this easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.